Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a freeze cutout edit for your intro or opening video in CapCut. So here you just need to add a clip and then just start by go to where you want to freeze the frame. Okay, I'm going to freeze in here, let's say, and click on a clip and find freeze. Okay, this one, then delete the rest of the clip. Okay, so this is the freeze, and after that I'm going to add a blur effect. So go to the video effects, click on the lens and find the blur. Okay, this one, adjust the blur to only around 20. Okay, click on a check icon, and then okay, so now this is optional, but you can also add a text here. Since this is the intro, I'm going to just type in hello, and after that you can adjust the text to your liking. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Click on a check icon and I'm going to make it short. And then after that you can here make the text move by using a keyframe. So I'm going to put the text here first, then I'm going to add a keyframe, move forward a bit, add another keyframe, then I'm going to rotate the text and move it to here. Okay, so the text will go like this. Okay, and then after that you can just delete the first clip, then export the clip. Okay, so when it's done, don't click done, but go back and undo the changes and delete the text and also the effect. Okay, now add the video that you just saved in the main track. Okay, and then make the freeze frame here as the overlay. Put it under the second clip like this. Then click on the overlay and go to cutout and click on remove background. Okay, so now click on the cutout stroke and select the solid color stroke here. Can you just go back, click on a check icon, and here you basically done, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.